So message from the leaders. I think this is something which everybody is loving in a lot, and we have played in a few messages earlier, mostly from the founder members of IRP so far. Today's we have with us Mr. Balwant Chawla, who is founder member IRP, past president IRB, member advisory and nomination committee. He's chairman of Polo Amusement Limited. We all know as Fun and Food Kingdom Village. He has multiple branches in India. In Delhi, he has one. He has one in Nagpur. He has one in Tashkent as well. So may I request Mr. Balwant Chawla to say in a few words to the guest, please. Mr. Balwant Chawla, please.
Yes, greetings, everyone. I wish everyone and their families good health and care. As everybody knows that we are closed since March because of COVID-19, and people are having negative news, disheartened. Parks are closed worldwide. It never happened in the history of amusement industry in particular. It is closed worldwide for so long. But I take it as an opportunity. You know, when you enter in this industry, I remember I attended one seminar when we entered in the industry like 30 years before. After 5 years of my entering into industry, I attended one seminar in Hong Kong, risk factors of the theme parks. And that was about 2-hour session. And when I came out, I was thinking that why I entered in this industry. Because there was so much of risk factors for their internal and external. This is one of the external factors. They describe it. But they teach us how to overcome also. And for last my 30 years, whatever I listen in that seminar, it happens slowly. Sometime in internal issues were came in, but it's a long chapter. The bottom line is that we should not get disheartened. Everything is converted into opportunity. You can rethink how to upgrade your parks, how to attend your customers as a VIP customers. I remember when I entered in the industry, we used to run these fairs, and we used to have particular like Sundays and all, people 20,000 plus. I attended about 40,000 people in a one day. And we used to think that how we can reduce this, because attending so much of people are happy that 40,000 people coming in, but it was a mess. We entered it, we bring it to a one ticket system instead of pay and play. It become an opportunity, so bring the capacity down to 4,000. And I tell you that there was no line system when we entered into the industry. People never used to stay in queue. We used to have a queue 6 to 7 feet high, the queue system with the like a jail, like barricades. So people can't jump into this and this. Now there's a great opportunity will be there. We used to have one operator and three helpers to maintain that queue system. Then it became one when there was less people inside. Now I think that there will be less people. People will be disciplined themselves. The culture is coming in, so that one go, then one another wait. So maybe we will be able to reduce some manpower in the rides, where we used to have a one operator and one person is standing at the queue to stop people. So that opportunity will be there. Then a lot of opportunities will be coming in. You will have less customers. You can treat them customers as a VIPs. Once you start using as a VIPs, you can charge a little bit more also. So that will compensate your losses. And how to come it? The parks will going to open it. The USA already most of the parks open it. Europe will start opening it. India will take another 1 month, 2 months, maybe 3 months. We're going to open it. Now, see, my company have 3 parks. One operates only for 3 months. One operates in Delhi, mostly water park, we operate 8 months. Nagpur is 1 year. Now you will be surprised we make money in all the 3 parks. In 3 months operation also, we design our operations and our expenses according to the 3 months operations. 8 months also like this and 12 years. So you replan. We lost 6 months. Doesn't don't get distorted. What is gone is gone. Just see that how you can manage your funds. Everybody can make your cash flow. No need to a chartered accountant. very simple mathematics you can use. I remember one time I went to Holland and went to one park. They operate only 8 months in a year, 7 months. And rest of the, and there is a pretty big park, not a small one. They have a employee strength of more than 2,000 people. And when we went in winter, there was only 4 people. They say we hire every year about 2,000 people. I say, how you manage it and how you expenses manage it? They say we have a graph line, how we make money, and our expenses always go under. It will never cross the line. So this is one thing that you can plan according to for the coming months. This is, you can rethink of your mission statement and vision statements. You have a lot of time to think about that. And I feel that it can be an opportunity also to redesign with the low capacity, how to run the parks. And safety issue will be easy to maintain. You have a best time to see your rights and all. You've got an opportunity to go through. Normally when you run the park, especially for the whole year, it's very difficult to maintain it and close the facilities. Now is the best time. You have a chance to see your all that operation things, rights, other things, how to maintain it. My still thinking is it is the opportunity, convert it into opportunity. And we are in an industry where always risk factors are always there. You have external risk factor sometimes. Now it happens, everyone close. Otherwise, normally happens, you have a road reaching to your place, there is a sewer system started. They dig the road, no customer can't come. There's earthquakes, many things happen, external. Internal also happens. But this time what happened is everybody close. Normally happens is some parks close for some time for 1 month. Some accident happen, they close for 1 month, 2 months. This time happen, everybody close. So you remove this 6 months into your calendar. Like you have an age of 60 years, 15 years. So you see that the 6 or 8 months which has been closed, just think that it is not there. It was not there. You once you're thinking that you're opening a new park. Sometimes you have to plan a new park. I see that many new parks, when they open it, they get delayed for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. They manage it. So it is an opportunity for everyone to think it like that as a positive way that they are opening a new parks, new facilities, new entertainment centers. So think that when you open it, you think that you are opening a new park. Just forget what happened before. And when the customer comes, welcome them as a like it's a new park, and they should feel like, look like and feel like it's a new park. This is a message from me, and with a great hope that our industry will come back very soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Balwant ji. Thank you very much for your kind